connecting you to where you want to be. This player in pink has hit a market milestone. Now in the wireless race, is T-Mobile not such an underdog any longer?
But what do we make of this nasty 3% decline in the stock of T-Mobile US after it held its first capital markets day in over 3 years? When the company outlined its plans for the future today, Wall Street clearly found something it didn't like, maybe? The stock started sinking after management rolled out their 2027 financial targets, even though I thought they were fine. They also unveiled intriguing new partnerships with OpenAI and NVIDIA, which we definitely want to know more about. That's why I'm thrilled to be joined by Mike Sievert. He's the president and CEO of T-Mobile. Mr. Sievert, welcome back to Mad Money.
Great to see you, Jim. Great to see you west of New Jersey.
Well, I can get here. It's not easy, but they allowed me. Now, Mike, one thing that is certain, the last time I saw you when the stock was down this big was actually the last time you got to buy before it just took off. Tell me what you said today in truth versus what the hedge funds were doing with their stock. I think you can tell me more than they can.
Well, probably, although I'm more of a business expert than a stock expert. I'll leave all that to you. But, we traded off from near all-time highs today in anticipation of this story. And what I'm told is some of the short-term money wanted a little more on shareholder remuneration. Right. We committed to up to $50 billion in stock buybacks and dividends. We increased the dividend as well. Now, it's a modest dividend because we're a growth company.
But our viewers want that dividend, and they want growth and dividend. You gave it to us.
We gave them more than a 30% bump in the dividend to reflect this big plan. But what we're hearing is that the long investors love this story. Now, they take a little time to get in. Yes, it is such an exciting story. We laid out that we are going to transform this business and continue to lead this industry, now from our high scale in terms of postpaid net additions, in terms of revenue, in terms of EBITDA, and in terms of cash. I mean, that's the trifecta. Yes, and so this growth company engine, we forecasted, listen, just drag it right, but it gets better and better.
But you did raise growth to a way that I think people would say, how can they do all that capital remuneration and grow like that? But you just have the right physical plant, you've got the right fiber. What do you say?
We've been saying for years that what customers look for in this industry is a great value, a great network, and the best experience. And you look at the update we provided today, we remain the best value in this industry by far, and we have fame for it. And so that's really great. We will jealously guard that. And we have the balance sheet to guard it because we have the least net debt of any of the major providers. But the new news over the past few years is we have become the best network by any objective measure. And we've got room to run there because not everybody knows it yet. Brands are stubborn. They take a minute for that to soak in. So the more people realize we now have the best network, the more tailwinds we have on our business. And that's been fueling our growth. And then finally, we're transforming the customer experience with AI and data so that people get a better and better version of the Un-carrier over time. All that adds up to the market's fastest growing provider that's unleashing enormous cash flow.
Well, one of the things that you've done, you've been great to people who switch. You've been great because you offer a better Apple deal year after year. Now, we have this new phone 16. I listen to these services that tell me, hey, it's already bad. But I always say, let me talk to Mike Sievert. Mike Sievert, is the keeper of the data. How poorly is the 16 selling, or is that all nonsense?
No, it's nonsense. It's nonsense. This is another year of great phone introductions.
You're telling me the first week's been good for you?
The first week was better than last year. And so not only good, but better than last year. And people are buying Pros, they're buying Maxes, so they're buying up the food chain, and they're buying at a greater rate than last year. Now, what's interesting is we may actually see that this is better than last year to a slightly greater extent, because I have a feeling this cycle will be lengthened a little. You know why?
Right.
The AI features don't come out for a little while yet. And so that word of mouth of seeing Apple Intelligence on your phone and then telling other people about it, that's actually still in front of us and will take a few weeks or longer. They didn't tell us. So this cycle could actually last a while, but already it's a little bigger than last year.
Well, there it is. That's the news that I've been waiting for. Now let's talk about fixed wireless. Everyone's very excited about that product, but I always heard that when you got to 8 million, you didn't have any more room, but you didn't say that today.
Well, for the first time ever, we unveiled that we're increasing our target to 12 million customers nationwide.
That can cut in against other companies.
Well, look, it already is. I mean, we've been able, for 8 quarters in a row, we have generated each quarter more net additions in broadband than the rest of the scaled providers combined. That's just massive. So we've gone from nowhere to 5.6 million customers, on track for that 7 to 8 next year, just perfectly on track, and then increasing the target now to 12 million, because we've been able to figure out how to get even more capacity out of this world-leading 5G network. That means that these fixed wireless customers that we can pour in by the millions don't diminish the service of smartphone customers who are now enjoying the widest margin of speed advantage versus AT&T and Verizon that they ever had.
Well, let me ask you, I mean, are these customers that are new to TV and cable, or are they coming from somebody else? Are you taking share again?
60% of them are switching from cable. You know, so the cable's the most the biggest contributor to 5G broadband.
Quality? I mean,
you know, it's
because it doesn't buffer more than
people love the service. They love the flexibility of it. You know, it's portable. You know, you can take it, you can move. You just have to check with us and make sure that address works. But it's so simple, and so people love the simplicity. They love the low cost. Remember, this is the only broadband offer in America whose cost structure is not burdened by capital. Right? Capital's a big part of the picture, but this one's not burdened by it. The capital was paid for by the mobile phone network and mobile subscribers. And so that means we offer a great value with a product people love. Do you know it's the highest net promoter score, that means satisfaction, of any broadband product in America?
Oh, that's pretty good. Now, but there's another guy, Starlink, Elon Musk. Now people are telling me, Jim, get on that horse. Get off the T-Mobile horse. I don't want to get off a horse if that horse is winning.
Well, I'm a customer. I love Starlink, and they're partners of ours. Okay. So there are places in the world where satellite, you know, is the only way to reach it.
Right.
And our partnership now with them will actually bring some of that signal directly to your smartphone.
But that could be a Trojan horse.
Oh, it's a phenomenal future. So, you know, we have 192 satellites in space with SpaceX right now. They're rapidly launching, and we think we're on track for a beta program of the direct satellite to cellular program that we announced a while back. It could start late this year or early into next year.
Well, this could be existential for some of the other players if you get too far ahead.
Well, I just think that, you know, the most important thing in mobile is coverage.
Right.
And with our dream is that if you can see the sky, you are covered. This represents the potential end of dead zones.
Well, wait a second. We didn't even talk about NVIDIA. I mean, how can we went for like, I don't know how many minutes, the NVIDIA partnership meaningful for anybody who has T-Mobile?
Absolutely. You know, we decided to announce today that we're putting a stake in the ground that the future of network architectures is called AI RAN. And we're partnering with NVIDIA, with Nokia, with Ericsson, and others to bring the AI RAN future to reality. Now, it's going to take a few years.
Okay.
We're only halfway into this 5G revolution. It's been around 5 or 6 years. But we're now turning the page and starting to architect with our partners what future networks will look like to make sure everybody has a better signal.
In the meantime, I no longer have to give up on the Apple 16. It turns out it's doing better than we thought.
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you so much to Mike Sievert, President and CEO of T-Mobile. Remember, the last time it broke down like this was the last time you got in before the next big run. Mad Money's back after the break.
Coming up, lightning doesn't just strike twice in Cramerica.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill. Booyah, booyah, booyah. Thanks for taking my call.
It strikes every day. Cramer is back in a flash with your questions. Next.